Welcome to this exceptional opportunity for a gorgeous home and 3/4 acre property where you can experience tranquil privacy. A gated entry invites you to the spacious home and serene setting where the landscaped grounds include fruit trees and flower beds. Heading inside, you'll discover a light and bright open floor plan showcased by high ceilings and large windows. You can relax by the modern gas fireplace and a built-in entertainment center with surround sound. It opens to the dining area with its own gas fireplace. The Gourmet kitchen features a large gas cooktop island, stainless appliances, double convection ovens, a pantry, and eating bar. Enjoy the vaulted master suite with wood floors and a slider to the patio, a large walk-in closet, and a spa-like bathroom, plus a laundry hookup. The lower level is a perfect flex space for a family room with a gas fireplace, a playroom, or a hobby room. Plus, you'll find a laundry hookup and lots of storage. Entertain on the covered patio, which opens to the private backyard. You'll find a garden shed, plus extensive garden space with raised beds and irrigation. With a separate 2-car garage and an attached 2-car garage, it's perfect for the car enthusiast or for all of your toys. Other features include a newer roof and siding, plus many other recent updates. Living here, you'll enjoy its close proximity to excellent schools, Tryon Creek Park, downtown Portland, and Lake Oswego. A beautiful home and property in a tranquil setting. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.